The next step of building our project is to create a database. Actually, we need two databases because we are going to use two microservices. So I'm going to create the database for the first I'm going to create the database for the orders microservice with om_db orders, and uh, I'm using PhpMyAdmin, and I created the database om_db orders. And then I'm going to create the database for the customer service microservice, db customers, om_db customers. So the both databases for the two microservices are created. Next, I'm going to create the user accounts for those databases. So I will use the user account om_usr_orders. That's for the orders database. And let me give the password, a simple password. And let me retype the same password, and so we can then create the user account. Because I don't need any global privileges for that user, I'm going to just uncheck and click the go. Now the user was created. So I'm going to create another user account for the DB customers database. So this user account is om_usr_customers, and host name I will choose localhost, and password I will give the same password as the other user. And I don't need any global privileges for this user as well, so I will let it uncheck and we'll create that user too. And after the users were created, we need to add the databases for those users. So I'm going to the customers user first, and I'm going to add the DB customers database for that user, and I will give all the permissions for that user for that database. And the privileges has been added, and I will do the same thing for the om_usr_customer user as well. Actually, for this is for the DB orders user. So I will give the same kind of privileges for the orders user, and yeah, both users now have privileges for the respective database. So we can confirm that by going into the user account. No, we have to go to the database actually. Let's go to the database for the customers database. Okay, we have to go to the user account. In the user account, we can see the assigned database as DB customers for the USR customers user. And if you go to the USR orders user and go to the database, we can see the om_db orders has been assigned as the database.